Tonight I'm going to talk about Captain America, or Steve Rogers as he's known. Now, Steve Rogers was born in 1920s New York to poor Irish immigrants. He was very frail, um, very small, a tall, skinny guy. His parents died when he was very young. His dad died when he was very young. His mom died when he was a teenager. So he became an artist. He became a comic book writer, comic book artist. By 1940, looking like we might be getting into the war, he was very frustrated. So he went and volunteered for active service with the Army. Well, he was rejected and laughed at because he was so small and skinny. He left dejected, walking down the street, going home, very sad. He was approached by someone who offered him a chance to really serve his country, to become strong and powerful and be able to do something. Uh, Steve jumped at the chance. He was taken to a retail store. He met with a lady that worked there. They gave a hand signal and a uh, password, and they were allowed to go down an elevator. Now, at the bottom of this elevator, there was an experimental lab, and this experiment and program was headed by Dr. Abraham Erskine. Dr. Erskine was a refugee from Germany, um, a Jewish refugee escaping Nazi conquest and uh, persecution. Came to America, and he set up shop here with our government and started a program to enhance humans to the top of the line that a human can be, like an Olympic athlete, and strength, speed, all the physical characteristics that can make someone powerful. He came up with this program through a combination of um, injections, fluids that you drink, um, energy transference, part of an experimental project. It's at the time, in the 40s, very ahead of pace. Now, Dr. Erskine hooked Steve up to this, had him drink the fluid, injected the chemicals into him, and then enhanced his body with what a Vitarays is what the term was called, Vitarays. This combination, all put together, enhanced his body, his muscles, his bones, his physicality to the peak of human physiology. Going from this small, frail guy who was unable to even qualify for the army to this super strong super soldier to battle the Nazis. This all happened very quickly. After he was out, generals and government officials who were there at this lab were praising Dr. Erskine, and they had plans to uh, create an army to defeat Hitler and the Nazis with this new Vitaray chemical treatment. What they didn't know was there was a Nazi spy in the room who subsequently shot Dr. Erskine. What this did was solidify the fact that Steve Rogers was truly alone, and he was the only super soldier that America would create in this manner. And this is how Captain America was born. Thanks.